What's up mga taragis? Time to explore the streets of Sagada. Kasama namin ang Disney princess na si Kyla, ang tahimik na si Rajel, at ang napaka-cute na si Sachiko. First stop, Sagada Brews to get our morning juice and coffee para magising ang inaantok namin mga dugo. They have a very nice place kaya sinimulan na ng mga taragis ang mag-picture-picture. Time to move on to the next stop, the famous Honesty Wine Store. Biitik Wines. The Honesty Wine Store have a system that we will discuss in a separate video. We got immersed by the unique vibes of the place and stayed longer than we expected. Since kami lang naman ang tao, we took the opportunity to take a lot of pictures. Moving forward, we reached the next area where a lot of souvenir stores are located. They have the usual variety of souvenirs, nothing out of the ordinary. The next stop is the French Crepe Store. We saw this on TikTok and actually one of our main goal here in Sagada. When we got there, there's nobody around. We saw the sign that said ask the souvenir shop, so we did, and na-distract ako bigla sa nakita kong bag. Tignan natin kung mag-work yung turo-turo technique. Yehe, ayan na si Ate French Crepe. Sa wakas, matitikman na namin ang French Crepe ng Sagada. Yun ang akala namin. Unfortunately, naubusan daw sila ng gasol, so balik na lang daw kami mamayang hapon. Kaya next stop na agad, just across the street, another from TikTok, the Yogurt House.
Chico, I'm sorry. No, pets allowed. Sorry, stay here, okay?
Huh?
No pets allowed. No pets allowed. You stay here outside, okay?
Sira ulo talaga tong si Tito Junya. Mukhang di niya nagustuhan yung yogurt. Okay naman yung place nila, maganda. Yun nga lang, nahirapan siya na-explain yung mga nasa menu nila. At yung may-ari, parang ayaw pa kaming bentahan. Napaka-unwelcoming or hindi accommodating. I'm not really a fan of yogurt, but masarap naman yung strawberry nila. Kaya di na kami nagtagal at umalis na kami. Naku, tignan mo to si Kyla, baka mahulog pa sa bangin. At sumunod pa yung dalawang kapatid. Baba dyan, now hindi namin kayo kayang palitan. Oh, napapansin niyo ba yung bag ko? Kaya gumagana talaga ang turo-turo technique. So, alam niyo na. See ya!